Welcome back, my dear students. We will discuss on the topic characteristic features and the classification scheme of the Ctenophora. Ctenophora are the predators, planktonic in habit. They are nearly transparent and exclusively marine. They are weak swimmers. They are carried about by ocean currents and feed on larval fish and other zooplankton. Previously, they were under the phylum Coelenterata along with Cnidaria due to presence of central cavity. That is a coelenterine cavity. But now the Cnidaria and Ctenophora constitute two separate phylum. Cnidaria is a major phylum and the Ctenophora is a minor phylum. And what are the hallmark features of the Ctenophora? Presence of plates of fused cilia that arrange in rows and adhesive prey capturing cells. That cells are known as coloblast cells or the lasso cells. So these are the key characteristic features. Now, what are the general features? Ctenophores are diploblastics. That means presence of ectoderm and the endoderm, mesoderm layer not well developed. Like Cnidaria, no distinct mesodermal tissues layer during embryogenesis. The body consists of an outer epidermis and inner gastrocdermis and a thick gelatinous middle layer mesoglia. They show a basic radial symmetry with oral and aboral surfaces. More accurately, they are described as biradial symmetry rather than radial symmetry. The mouth is situated at the central of the oral pole. Mouth leads to the pharynx, that is also known as a stomodium, which serves as a site of extracellular digestion and hence through a stomach into a series of gastrovascular canals, where digestion is completely intracellular. The digestive system terminates out at anal pole. Most of the digestion is completed extracellular in the stomodium. Undigested waste are discharged through the anal pores. Nematocysts are absent. Instead of nematocyst, presence of spatial, adhesive, and sensory cells. That cells are the coloblast cells. And nidoblast cells and nematoblast cells or nidocyte cells, that are the characteristics and unique cells of the Cnidaria. But in case of the Ctenophora, the adhesive and the sensory cells are known as lasso cells or the coloblast cells. Presence on tentacles and they help in food capture. Each coloblast cells that consist of a bulbous sticky head. This is a head region, and then a state filament. This is a state filament, and also spiral contractile filament. And 8 rows of ciliated combs, that is also known as tenes, that are controlled by an apical sense organ at the aboral pole, and that help in locomotion. Swimming is accomplished by the activity of many bands of partially fused, remarkable long cilia. Single apical sense organ that located at the aboral end. The sense organ is a modified statocyst and act as an organ of the equilibrium. The statolith is a single sphere of the calcium carbonate, and that contain 4 taps of few cilia. They're called balancer or the springs. Each balancer may consist of several hundred of cilia. A ciliated group radiates from each balancer and bifurcates. This is a bifurcation. To service to adjacent combros. This is a adjacent combros here. Nervous system diffuse consists of a nerve net somewhat more specialized than that found in the Cnidaria. Skeletal system absent, excretory system absent, respiratory system absent, circulatory system absent. All are hermaphrodite in nature. Gonads are developed in the meridional canals. The ova are formed on one side and the spermatozoa on the other side of each meridional canal. The mature ova and sperms are discharged into the canals and finally escape by the mouth. Fertilization is external. Development is done by a particularly characteristic larva. That's larva is sidepid larva. Regeneration and pedogenesis is common. Alteration of the generation not found among Ctenophora. Nearly all Ctenophora are the bioluminescence. Bioluminescence results from a chemical reaction in which much of the excessive energy is given off as light rather than heat. Help in mate locations, luminations organs also help in species recognitions, also help in luring of the prey, also escaping from the predators. The light producing cells are the photocytes that are located in the walls of the meridional digestive canal. Now, Ctenophora is divided into two classes. Class Tentaculata. Tentaculata contains tentacles, whereas the class Noda without tentacles. This is the examples. This is a velamen, this is a cestum, this is a Ctenoplana, this is a Pleurobrachia, and this is a berry. All figures are collected from Google Image. And these are the reference books: Invertebrate Zoology, Edward E. Ruppert, Richard S. Fox, and Robert D. Barnes; Biology of the Invertebrates, John A. Piccini; and Invertebrate Zoology, McLeish and Sarn. Thank you, everybody.